are making a really simple and authentic Indian curry at home. I'm gonna show you, and my little one gonna show you how we make it. So it's writing on the board. Just wait a minute, let me change the camera side. Show you guys what you're making. Quick and easy chicken curry by Chef Manish.
Why do I write my name here?
Ah, I forgot. Sorry, you can write your name. Do you want to write your name over there?
No.
It's alright. I know it looks too much, but this is what we got here for marination. Chicken, one whole chicken, and these are the things we're gonna marinate with it. And the next board here, up here, we got for the curry, which is we're gonna use it to make curry. And then we're gonna add the marinated chicken over there. Alright, let's start now.
Yes.
Well, you want to try the chicken? How does it taste?
I didn't taste it yet.
Okay. Is it spicy or is it
Nice.
spicy for you?
Yum.
Hmm?
Yummy.
Are you sure? Is it okay
I
for you?
put this in a tea because I don't want to eat.
Is it okay for you, mommy?
Yes, nice. Tasty.